are going to compost some worm dirt, worm castings. And just to prevent everything from going underneath my long nails, put some gloves on. I made this little harvester right here, just out of some scrap lumber and some 1/4 inch hardware cloth I had. So I'm just gonna reach in here, grab some dirt. I just fed recently, so we're gonna have to go through all of that. Just gonna shake this back and forth. And I'm gonna put the big chunks and the worms in that one. Smells really good. Really. Oh, here's a worm I got through. And that's gonna end up happening. Not a big deal. Oops. Get through, I'll just grab them. Although I'm sure they wouldn't be upset with going out into the garden. See? Oh, one got through. Run your hands through this stuff. Oh my God, it's like perfect. Oh.
What dirt are you going to put them in?
That's them in there with the bigger chunks. They'll go back into one of these bins. Dad's bringing home clippings from the field. So see all the worms sitting there? And the dirt.
Baby worm again.
Well, if you see them, pick them out.
Look. Right there.
I don't have enough light over here.
And then right in the middle.
Get it. This is, hold on to that, bud. This is everything we got from the first bucket. And let me tell you, it's a lot. Look at all this. It is a ton, and it smells like amazing dirt. Clean dirt, if that's even possible. Okay, on to the second bucket.
So many worms. Just on top?
Well, if you just grab those on top, if there's a handful of them.
Just...
Yeah, put them in there. Okay.
There's a lot of worms on top.
We'll put that banana in there. That's your one you just... Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm not sure how we're going to get the next one to work because it's really wet.
No,
I'm not really sure why. No, we have to.
Why do we have to?
Because they need new bedding. Well, wait, hold on.
What's up?
A couple got in. I mean, out.
Is this a worm?
Yeah. Okay.
Worms in this one, I think.
That's good.
I didn't see that many worms in the other bucket.
You didn't? Oh my God, that's some good dirt.
There should be a lot in that one, I think. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them.
Falling through?
Watch out.
What do you mean a bunch?
There was a bunch.
No, there wasn't. Oh. Come here, worm. Come here, worm. Come here, worm. Come here, worm.
There's a baby worm.
Okay, come on.
There's baby worms in that one.
They'll probably fall through. So hopefully this is more visible to you. Look at this stuff. It is absolutely gorgeous. Really soft, fine. I don't need that. Just set them on the table. Anyway, look at that dirt. It is going out in the garden right now. All right, here we are in the garden. I'm going to dump some in that bed, some in this bed, and just kind of it'll be really good soil. Okay. All right. Oh, there's a worm. What, you go put it in?
Put it in the box.
All right, we're gonna water this in. To the soil below. And we'll restart our bins in a minute. And this will be ready tomorrow to plant my seeds. Didn't get as much into this one, but it'll be okay. Oops, sorry. Yeah, the boys came out and, well, my son did, and turned over the old soil. We added some topsoil in and some soil amendment, and now we're adding the worm castings. But when he was out here turning the soil, he found right over in that area. Unfortunately, he turned over a den of rabbits, baby bunnies. Their eyes weren't open yet, and unfortunately, they can die very easily. They get stressed really easily, and one of them died. The other two we took to the wildlife rescue place, and hopefully they're doing okay. But unfortunately, Mama came back today in search of her babies. Well, sometime between last night and today. And it was sad.